Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you exactly how to craft a powerful book dedication that honors the people who matter most. So what exactly is a book dedication? A book dedication is a personal note from the author, found on one of the first pages of a book, that honors a person, a group of people, or even an idea. It's a public thank you, a declaration of love, or a tribute to someone who inspired or supported the author. It sets a personal tone before the story even begins. Step 1. Brainstorm your who. Before you can write anything, you need to decide who the dedication is for. This is the most important step. Don't rush it. Think about the journey of writing this specific book. Ask yourself, who was my biggest supporter? Who inspired the story or a character? Who provided practical or emotional support? Who was my mentor? Is it for a group, such as survivors, dreamers, librarians, or your readers? Take a look at the examples on the screen. Step 2. Uncover the why. A name is good, but the reason why you are dedicating the book to them makes it powerful. The why is the heart of your dedication. Some common reasons for dedicating a book could be to express gratitude for a loved one's emotional and practical support during the writing process, or to honor a person who served as the direct inspiration for the story, a character, or the author's creative journey. Take a look at these examples. Step 3. Choose your tone. The tone of your dedication should feel authentic to you and to some extent match the tone of your book. You have 5 main options. Number 1, heartfelt and sincere, which is direct, loving, and emotional. Number 2, short and sweet, which is classic, simple, and elegant. Number 3, funny or witty, which shows your personality and often uses an inside joke. Number 4, mysterious or cryptic, which is intriguing, using initials or vague references. Or number 5, broad and inclusive, which is dedicating the book to a group or concept. Step 4, draft your dedication. Now it's time to combine your who, why, and tone to write a few drafts. Don't worry about perfection yet, just get your ideas down. Let me show you some examples based on different tones. Example number 1, short and sweet. This classic style is simple, elegant, and powerful in its brevity. Example number 2, heartfelt and sincere. This is the most common style. It's direct, emotional, and explains the connection. Example 3, funny and witty. A witty dedication can be a wonderful surprise for the reader and a joy for the person it's dedicated to. It is often based on an inside joke or a humorous observation. Example 4, mysterious or cryptic. This style creates intrigue. It's personal to the point of being a secret between you and the recipient. Example 5, broad and inclusive. This is perfect if your book is tied to a cause, a community, or a universal human experience. Step 5, refine and edit. Once you have a draft, it's time to polish it. A dedication is short, so every word counts. Number 1, check the spelling. This is non-negotiable, especially for the name of the person you're dedicating it to. Double check it. Triple check it. Number 2, read it aloud. Does it sound like you? Does the rhythm flow well? Number 3, be concise. Cut any unnecessary words. For my wonderful, amazing, and supportive wife can often be strengthened to, for my wife, my rock. Number 4, get a second opinion. Ask a trusted friend to read it. Does it convey the emotion you intended? Step 6, place it correctly. The dedication usually goes on its own page after the title page and before the acknowledgments or table of contents. Before we wrap up, let me share some famous examples for inspiration. Stephen King wrote in 1408, "For my wife, Tabitha. This book is for you, and it always has been." J.K. Rowling dedicated Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. The dedication of this book is split 7 ways to Neil, to Jessica, to Kenzie, to Di, to Anne, and to you if you have stuck with Harry until the very end. Lemony Snicket wrote, "To Beatrice, darling, dearest, dead." An unattributed author wrote, "To my wife, without whom I would have finished this book 2 years earlier." Another wrote, for everyone who has ever been a part of a family, functional or dysfunctional, you're the reason I write." Shannon Hale wrote in Austenland, "For Colin Firth, you're a great guy, but I'm married, so I think we should just be friends." And some more creative ones. To Coffee, without whom this book would still be a blank document. For the child I used to be, and the one still dreaming inside me. In loving memory of Thomas, who never got to read this but inspired every page. And for Mom, Dad, and Leo, you are my beginning, middle, and end. So there you have it. Writing a book dedication is about choosing your who, finding your why, picking your tone, drafting, and refining. Most importantly, make it authentic to you. Your dedication is the first personal connection your readers will have with you. Make it count. Now I want to hear from you. Who would you dedicate your book to? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more writing tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.